Hello dear student, welcome back MCQ practice series of Programmable Logic Controller part number 5. Myself Dhruv Patel. If you not subscribe my channel The Edu Labs, please subscribe it. I also request you please like, share and subscribe. Question number 1. An AND function implemented in later logic uses option A normally close contacts in series, option B normally open contacts in series, option C normally open contacts in parallel, option D normally close contacts in parallel. The answer is option number B, that is a normally open contacts in series. See, as shown in the figure, there are the two switches, input A and input B are connected in series and there is a one output. So these A and B inputs are normally open contacts. So here the answer is option number B, normally open contacts in series. Question number 2. An OR function implemented in ladder logic uses option A normally close contacts in series, option B normally open contacts in series, option C normally open contacts in parallel and option D normally close contacts in parallel. The answer is option number C, that is a normally open contacts in parallel. See, as shown in the figure, that is the input A and input B, two normally open contacts are connected to each other. They are look like as a parallel. So here, when you implement OR function, that is the two switches are connected like this, as shown in the figure. So the answer is normally open contacts in parallel. That is option number C. Question number 3. An NOR function implemented in ladder logic uses option A normally close contacts in series, option B normally open contacts in series, option C normally open contacts in parallel, option D normally close contacts in parallel. The answer is option number A, that is a normally close contacts in series. See, as shown in the figure, there are the two switches, that is a two input switches, that is input A and input B are connected each other and they connected like as a series function. So answer is like series. Now another thing here, input A and input B, both switches are like as an NC contact type, that is a normally close. NC means normally close. So here the answer is option number A, normally close contacts in series. Question number 4. An NAND function implemented in ladder logic uses option A normally close contacts in series, option B normally open contacts in series, option C normally open contacts in parallel and option D normally close contacts in parallels. The answer is normally close contacts in parallel. See, as shown in the figure, the input A and input B switches are connected like as a parallel. And see here, input A and input B, both switches are normally closed switches. So here the answer is normally closed contacts are connected in parallel when you implement NAND function in ladder logic. So answer is option number D. Question number 5. And blank function is implemented in the PLC LD, that is a ladder program, as shown in the figure. Option A, exclusive NOR, option B, exclusive OR, option C, NAND, option D, NOR gate. See, in this figure, there is a two inputs are there, input A and input B. And there are the different type switches, that is a normally open NO and normally closed, that is a NC switches are there. Here the answer is option number B, that is exclusive OR. See, in this case, as a figure, when input A is normally open switch is connected with series with normally closed contact of the input B. So in this case is represent like A into B bar. Similarly, in parallel side, there is a A input with NC contact, that is a bar is connected with series of input B, that is a B. So these are the considered as a bar into B, and both are connected with parallel. So here the output is equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. So here the answer is option number B, that is a exclusive OR, because A into B bar plus A bar into B is a equation of exclusive OR gate. Question number 6. And blank function is implemented in the PLC ladder program shown in the figure. The option number A, exclusive NOR, option number B, exclusive OR, option number C, NAND gate, option number D, NOR gate. So the answer is option number A, that is exclusive NOR gate. See, as shown in the figure, there are the two inputs and one output is used. A and B are considered as inputs. Here, in first case, A is a normally open switch and that parallel, there is a B contact is there and that is a normally closed switch. So here that first case, the equation is look like what? A plus B bar. Similar to second side, there is a B open switch is there and A bar closed switch is there. So it's look like B plus A bar, and both are connected in series, both options are connected in series. So here finally the output is in bracket A plus B bar bracket over into another bracket B plus A bar bracket over. So this output is look like exclusive NOR function. Question number 7. The Boolean representation of the PLC LD program shown figure is blank. Option A, in bracket A into B bar plus D bar bracket over into C. Option B, in bracket A bar into B plus D bracket over into C bar. Option C, in bracket A plus B bar bracket over into D bar bracket over plus C. Option D, bracket A into B plus D bracket over into C. So the answer is option number A, that is in bracket A into B bar plus D bar bracket over into C. As shown in the figure, there are total 4 inputs and 1 output is that. Input A, input B, input C and input D. In this case, input A and input C are normally open switches and input B and input D are normally closed contacts, that is the switches. So here the A and B are connected in series and the answer is connected with the parallel to the D. but here B is normally closed. So overall that case A into B bar plus D bar, and whole output is connected with series with a C. So here the final answer is in bracket A into B bar plus D bar bracket over into C. So option number A. Question number 8. The waveform shown in the figure represent blank function is implemented in the PLC LD program. The option A is exclusive NOR, option B is exclusive OR, option C is NAND, option D is NOR. So the answer is option number D, that is a NOR. So as shown in the figure, there is an input A and input B waveform is there. Similar to based on A and B, the output waveform are also presented. Now with respect to truth table, in waveform number 1, that is an input A case, that is a when low signal is there, similar to there is a B input, there is a low signal is there, the output is a high in first case. Now in second case, when input A is high, similar to input B is low, as there output is low. Now in third case, when input is high, input A is high, input B is also high, at that time output is low. In fourth case, the input A is low, input B is high, similar to output is low. And finally, the input A is low, B is low, and output is high. So it's look like NOR function. So here the answer is option number D, that is a NOR. Question number 9. The waveform shown in the figure represent blank function is implemented in the PLC LD program. Option A exclusive NOR, option B exclusive OR, option C NAND, option D NOR. So here the answer is exclusive OR. As shown in the figure, there are the waveform of A input, input B, and output is given. See, in this figure, when the input A is low, input B is low, at the time output is low. When input A is high, input B is low, and output is high. Similar to input A is high, input B is high, output is low. And last, input A is low, input B is low, high, and output is high. So it look like exclusive OR truth table. That is when any one input are high, the output is high. Otherwise, it is a low. So here the answer is option number B, that is exclusive OR gate waveform. Question number 10. The waveform shown in the figure represent blank function is implemented in the PLC LD program. The option number A exclusive NOR, option number B NOT, option number C NAND, option number D NOR. So the answer is option number B, that is NOT. See, as shown in the figure, when input A is low, at that time output is high. When input A is high, output is low. It's look like inverter. So here the waveform presented in this figure is considered as NOT gate function. So answer is option number B, NOT gate. Hope you receive very good information from this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.